host, Jessica. Welcome to Property Advisor Jessica, your trusted source for property advice in the USA. I'm Jessica, your dedicated property advisor, and today I'm excited to share some valuable insights to help you navigate the dynamic world of real estate, whether you're a buyer, seller, or investor. This video is for you, so let's dive in. Segment 1. Property Market Overview. 1 minute, Jessica. In this segment, we'll explore the current state of the property market in the USA. I'll provide an overview of recent trends, market conditions, and factors influencing property prices. Understanding the market dynamics is essential for making informed decisions. Let's get started. Segment 2. Home Buying Tips. 2 minutes, Jessica. If you're in the market to buy a home, this segment is for you. I'll share valuable tips on how to navigate the home buying process, from setting your budget to conducting property inspections. I'll also discuss financing options and offer insights on negotiating the best deal. Get ready to make your dream home a reality. Segment 3. Selling Strategies. 2 minutes, Jessica. Selling a property can be a daunting task, but with the right strategies, it can be a rewarding experience. In this segment, I'll walk you through effective selling techniques, staging your property to attract buyers, and marketing strategies to maximize your property's exposure. It's time to sell with confidence. Segment 4. Property Investment Insights. 2 minutes, Jessica. For those interested in property investment, this segment is packed with valuable insights. I'll discuss different investment strategies, analyzing market trends, and identifying lucrative opportunities. We'll explore both residential and commercial property investments and discuss factors to consider for long-term success in the real estate market. Jessica, that wraps up today's video on Property Advisor Jessica. I hope you found the information valuable and insightful. Remember, real estate is an ever-evolving market, and it's crucial to stay informed. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Property Advisor Jessica for more tips, advice, and updates on the USA property market. Until next time, happy property hunting!